Everybody, welcome back to Smoker Barbecue's YouTube channel. I have a fun video today. We're going to be doing some cast iron cooking. Whatever reason, I just normally don't do it because I have a nice little bigger egg. If I want to do any cooking for steak, chicken, what have you, I'm probably just going to be doing it outside on the barbecue. However, cast iron cooking is absolutely delicious. So I'm doing steak today. But the first step you have to do in cook a steak or any meat in general is to cheers. It's delicious pale ale we've got going right now. So that was the first step. Second step is going to be to season the steak. We're going to get to that now. Next thing I like to do is go and pat down the steak. Okay. Going heavy with the salt today. And that's it. Let's go ahead and let it rest for just a couple minutes while we get the pan going. Some avocado oil going down. You know what? This is not going to get hot enough. Just 1 second. I think that was the equivalent of hold my beer in regards to cast iron cooking. Well, the fire was a little hot. Oh, got stuff all over my face. Probably because the fire was pouring out over the pan. Who knows? Anyway, it actually not that bad. So we'll go ahead and give it a try on camera here. You can see pretty good. So this took probably 2.5 minutes grilling. Very, very tender. Very nice singed rosemary taste. Not too bad. I'm out of paper towels. Anyway, so what I'll do next time is not crank it up to the Hobbs temperature. I want to grill something outside. Actually, it's not that bad. Actually, a pretty good idea. Except, you have to remember, the oil likes to catch on fire. Oil likes to catch on fire at a certain temperature. Just don't let your oil get up to that temperature, and you will be actually fine. The rosemary itself also burns a little bit too. Just because of the oil and the flame that was encompassing the cast iron. So get yourself a big cast iron and you're good to go. Till next time, have a great day. Keep barbecuing America, keep grilling, and see you next time. Cheers.